Hey guys, it's Kos with you. Today I show you a video tutorial how to make a football flyer design with Muhammed Salah. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to push the like button under the video. Okay, here we go. We have Salah right here and just click delete. I prepared this mask before. Now we just have to resize this image. Then I take my picture and place it like a background behind the Salah. Okay, great. Now I want to add some circle also behind the Salah. And it will be red color. Then I press left alt and click left mouse button and just place it here. Yeah, resize it again, plus center, and place it randomly with random size on our background. Okay, the next step we take all our cycles and just match shapes. Then we go to filter, go to blur and add motion blur. Convert to smart object. Angle will be -30 and distance will be 45 pixels, like this. Then double click on our layer and add outer glow with red color. Okay, seems good. Then we choose our Salah and click Ctrl+J. Choose the layer below, go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur to 20 pixels. Then double click on our layer, color overlay and okay, now let's add text with the name of our football player. Place it to the center, make it a bit bigger. Okay, double clicked on our layer with the name and add outer glow with white color, like this. Okay, good. Let's add the number of this football player, 11. Place it randomly of full layer. Let's take other numbers to the one layer with resize type and match layers. Now we also double clicked on this layer and add some outer glow with white color. And now it would be nice if we add some red light to his hand, his hair and a bit piece of his face. Also we have some white light on this number, and it would be nice if we reflect it on his hair from this side. Okay, let's do this. We select our main Salah and go to the adjustment layer and add hue and saturation. Then we add this adjustment layer to the layer below, to our main Salah. Okay, don't forget to do this. And click colorize. Now we have to combine this adjustment layer with our red layer circles. Like this. Double click on our adjustment layer. Now we have to change our blend mode and just take it to these parameters. Okay. Then we choose our mask, Ctrl plus I. Okay. Take our brush tool and just make light on his hand. If we want to add a white color to his hair, we just do the same thing. We just add another one adjustment layer with white color. Okay, now we set our numbers opacity to 70, and then I take my beautiful effect to my flyer. Select lighting mode, create a mask and make layer a bit clear. Okay, now design is ready and we need to add some camera raw filter, but we have prepared our layers to this, and I press Alt, Ctrl, Shift plus E, and Photoshop make me layer with our layers before in one. Now I just go to camera raw filter and make some special parameters to this work. So here you go. I hope you like this video tutorial with football flyer design. Please let me know this by leaving a like and comments, and if you enjoy my overall content, feel very free to subscribe. It would mean the biggest support for me. Then I hope I'll see you in my next tutorial videos. See ya!